A new report from cybersecurity firm CrowdStrike warns that hackers are stepping up their attacks to access private information.
Well, overnight, the U.S. government confirmed that an unprecedented, widespread hacking campaign is underway and still underway against U.S.
Apple has
federal
issued an
agencies.
urgent software update for many of its products that you may be using. The tech giant says there is a security flaw that could allow hackers to take full control of their devices.
Hacking group Anonymous has declared
Story
war
that is
on
literally breaking as we speak. We are learning right now that Uber is suffering a computer system hack.
160 million gamers. That is how many PlayStation and Microsoft Xbox customers are affected by this
security
attack.
breach, possibly putting 143 million Americans at risk. Hackers targeting credit monitoring company Equifax.
My name is Kyryl. I currently work as a lead developer at Delta Systems. I started back in 2020 and it's been a hell of a ride. Well, currently I'm a student at UTSA getting my BBA in cybersecurity. I'm certified in A+ and Security Plus. I have 4 years of IT experience at a large financial institution in addition to the almost 2 years of experience that I have here at Delta. I've gone both shallow and very deep into the IT world, so I kind of know all the ins and outs of all different configurations that need to be made for different things and how everything works together. I'm currently in school at UTSA, focusing on cybersecurity. I've worked as an IT technician for 4 years at a financial institution. Afterwards, I switched to application analyst and then came to work at Deltra, back to being an IT technician. And from there, I became a developer. Well, for a typical day, I get in, I turn on my computer, and I boot up Teams, and that's what we use at Deltra to communicate. I check in with the team, see if there are any issues pending that I have to take a look at, and afterwards I spin up my dev environment and get ready to code. I normally use Visual Studio Code for large projects and C# because I like that better. But that's what a typical day looks like. Otherwise, I also help architect apps. I also help with other tasks as appropriate. If we ever need to spin up a quick script or something, I can take care of that. Well, everyone's going to tell you it's a very fun and exciting field. It's great to be in. The reality is there's a lot of things that you can be doing, but whatever you decide to do, you have to stick with it and you have to be very good at it. Right now, it's a very high growth field, right? But that means everyone's going to want to get into it. I'm at UTSA getting a BBA focused on cybersecurity, but so is almost everyone else my age that I know. The difference is I know what I need to do and I'm good at my job. I have training experience to back it up, but again, that came from hard work and from getting experience. For someone like you who's fresh out of school, maybe get your certificates, get trained up as much as you can, find an entry-level role somewhere, and get that experience as fast as you can, because the faster you get that experience, the faster you'll be set up to actually be a viable candidate, basically. On top of that, really, really know everything there is to know about this, because no matter what you learn, that knowledge will help you. It's guaranteed. I guarantee you everything that you learn about computing in general is going to help you in security.